Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect monday.com to Trello, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect monday.com to Trello, start by logging into your monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your desired workspace. Look for the Integrate button, which is typically located at the top right corner of your board. Click on the Integrate button to open the integration menu. In the integration menu, search for Trello using the search bar. Select Trello from the list of available integrations. You will see various integration options for Trello. Choose the integration option that fits your needs best. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your Trello account. You may be redirected to Trello for authentication. Log into your Trello account if prompted, and authorize monday.com to access your Trello data. Once authorization is complete, return to monday.com. Next, configure the integration settings according to your preferences. Select the Trello boards and cards you wish to connect with your monday.com board. Map the fields between Trello and monday.com to ensure data flows correctly. Once the fields are mapped, save the integration settings. Test the connection to ensure that the integration works smoothly. Check if the relevant data from Trello appears in your monday.com workspace. Adjust any settings if necessary to optimize the integration. Your monday.com and Trello accounts are now successfully connected. You can now manage your tasks seamlessly between both platforms. Be sure to regularly check and update your integration settings as needed. This will help ensure that all data remains synchronized and accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.